It's our last day in Shanghai and it's raining. We initially wanted to go to the Shanghai Museum, but apparently everybody else had the same idea and there was a huge queue outside of it. We wanted to go to the museum, but people are standing in line all the way till back there and the entrance is all the way up there. So we decided to not go to the museum. Now we're at the Jade Buddha Temple, somewhere in north of Shanghai. I don't know. I'll take you. Let's look around. Come on, let's go. The Shanghai Museum because it's still raining outside, but there are a lot less people.
Yeah, but we queued anyway.
Yeah,
so
for like half an hour. Yeah, it's alright. Not like
half an hour is fine.
Yeah, it's very high security. It's like at an airport, and I like this museum a lot more than the one in Wuhan. This is historical abundance. Look at this really fancy vase, which is how old? 16th to 11th century BC. That's like 3,600 years old.